Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals and welcome back to my channel. I am here with my March haul video. I already have 4 things to show you and I'm planning on placing another 3 orders. So this is going to be a much bigger haul than the last. So, let's start with this one, which is my Erin Floto Designs PR pack. I have to say, I do know that I'm not going to love this one as much as I love some of them. It just isn't really my style, but that's what happens when you're a patron. You get things you do and don't necessarily wouldn't buy, but I'm not a patron for the stuff, I'm a patron for to support. So the first thing we have, which I do love, are these 2 little habit trackers with stars and little hearts, rather than, they've already got them with circles and squares, so they're the stencils for this month. Then we have the little sheets, which we have priorities, events and live stream. Scripts, I'll probably use the live stream, I probably won't use the priorities and events. Then we've got these little like brainstorming things with dream big and brainstorm scripts. I probably won't use any of those, but again, that's fine. And then we have the monthly kit. I'm the functional diamond tier or something like that. So I get this habit tracker. I ask for the habit tracker, I think, well, or I just let it come because that's what comes automatically. And then this is the kit. So these are your banner, title banners, deco page, your date covers, banners, washi sheet, some deco and titles and stuff, some checklists, some more banners, and happy memories title and stuff. So that's there, that will go into one of my monthly spreads. Next up we have a de-stash purchase from Beth of Colourful & Co, but it is some Plannerface sheets. So we have some currently trackers, so I've got loving, feeling, planning, learning and excited for. You know I use these in my monthly spreads, in my weekly memory spreads, so that's why I picked those up. So they will definitely get used pretty quickly. Next we have a actual Plannerface order. This was my PR pack, I believe. So because it's a PR pack, I only paid £8 and 5 pence for this order. So freebie wise, I got the February freebie because I did place this order in February, which is these lovely spring freebies, free spring doodles. I got Lily's PR freebie, which says I have no idea what I'm doing. Love that. This is the current journaling card, so that's that side and the other side there. Really love that, that's cute. Then I got the Marguerite kit. I absolutely adore this artwork so much. I love the greens. I'm actually using this in March, so you've actually possibly already seen this spread, or no, this is becoming a memory spread, I think. You got these bonus girls as well. So you've got like the alternate skin colour for this one, and this one, and this one. So I can use all of those. So yeah, that's amazing. And you've got a kitty. Sorry, I got distracted. So there's going to be so many full boxes in the way I plan in this spread. There are the doodles, which I love. Look at that full box. So yeah, I basically have 13 full boxes for that kit. And then we have the April monthly kit, which I use these in my memory planner. I get the Monday Start strips, which are there. Then this is the Peachy collection, I believe it's called. So normal monthly format there. And that's that. So yeah, that's all for this very first bit. Eagle-eyed viewers will have noticed I did have another envelope right at the beginning. That is my mystery kit, which will be at the end of the video, so that if anybody wants to skip it, they can. So I'll pass over to future Tilly with the next few orders, and then eventually at the end of the video you will see the mystery kit from Plannerface. So I am back with the second half of my haul, and the first one is this order here from By Gem Designs, and you have 2 orders in this little section. Okay, so Julia has just released Premium Matte. Sorry, I need to zoom in to show you these a bit closer, I think. So I placed an order for a kit and also got some multicolour things as well. So the first things are my samplers, which I got this new one on the Premium Matte and one on her normal paper. So yeah, just look at the vibrancy difference, and this paper is so smooth. This is like my favourite sort of Premium Matte. So that's those. Then I got some of her clear stickers, so she uses a clear matte similar to mine. So I got these watercolour circles that are a bit bigger, and then I got these little hexagons. I'm going to be honest, these were smaller than they were in my head. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to use them for because they are like teeny tiny. but we'll see. That's fine. And then this is the kit I got. To be honest, this is all my own fault. Like it said on the listing how small they were, I just didn't register. Anyway, and this is the kit I got. So it's Rainbow Bloom, and I got it in premium matte. So you get your 4 boxes, you get your ombre heart check boxes, some quarter boxes, date covers, stuff like that. Loads of little things which you know I love. Some quarter boxes, some more half boxes, and some scripts. Your date covers, your bottom washi, and your other washi sheet, and another 4 box there. And then I also got the glitter add-on because I need the more boxes basically. So that is what I got from By Gem Designs. Absolutely gorgeous kit. I'm excited to use that, and I'm excited to work out what I'm going to use the hexagons for and to use these circles. The second order is from Plannerface, of course, and this is my PR pack for March. So for transparency, I only paid £8.05 for this. So let's start with freebies. I got Natalie's PR freebie. These are changing. So this is all of the ones of these I'm going to get. I can't remember how many I've got. I think I've got 3 or 4. But anyway, that's for this month. By the time you're seeing this video, our PR freebies have changed. This is the March freebie sampler. You just get a load of script there. And then this is the journaling card. So you get the 2 skin colours on there. Then I got the May monthly kit. So as usual, I got the Monday Start strips, and this is all in premium matte. So that's your top of the thingy covers. You've got your boxes page and your functional sidebar there. I am excited for that one. I think it's a really pretty kit. And then last but not least, I got Dream. And so this is a gorgeous kit, art related kit. I love it. So struggling to turn the pages here. You know Plannerface's kit format if you watch my videos. You get tons of add-on boxes with this one. So you get, I have 2 of this one. I don't really know why. Maybe because of how the sheets work. I don't know. Anyway, I have 2 of this one. So yeah, you got 2 different skin coloured girls there. You've got your 2 different hands there, and 4 different hair colours. How many boxes does that give you? And that's your glitter sampler. So there's so many options. So many options. So these 3 are repeats. So you've got like 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 4 boxes in this kit, which is tons. If you don't mind using the same hair colour, different hair colours and stuff, you've got even more. So for me, I've got 12. So that's really exciting. So that's the Dream kit. And that's the Dream kit. I'm now going to pass over to Pastely with the mystery kit, and then I'll be back for the end of the video. Okay, so now I have the mystery kit from Plannerface. So this is March's mystery kit. If you do not want to see it, click off this video now, because anything after this point will be spoiled. So yeah, if you don't want to see it, click off now. Okay, now they've gone. Let's open this up. I might see things. In fact, let's turn it upside down because that's the front. I know the journaling card and the colours are here. It's called Garden Party. So we'll have a bit of a sneak here. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I can't really see. I love that girl's dress though. That's gorgeous. And oh, there's a TP. Okay, I'm excited. Let's open this up further and have another little look. I will speed this a little bit up, but then when I actually turn it over, you'll be in real time. So I'm not going to have seen any more than we can currently see. Are we ready to see it? Oh, I'm seeing there's an orange in it. We know I love yellowy and orange kits. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, I love this, Anna. This is absolutely gorgeous. Let's there was some bonus boxes and stuff. Let's have a little look. So yeah, we've got the girl there who's here. I assume that's like the full version of this scene here. And we've obviously got the other skin colour there. There's another look of the colours in the kit. I love these colours. These are some of my favourite colours for kits. So we have add-on boxes. So we have many varieties of this girl. And then an extra little balloon box down there. So that's gorgeous. So it's like a garden party theme. Look at all our rainbow. It's just gorgeous rainbows. Loving this. So so much. I'm really pleased with this. Oh, look at that bottom washi, and then another full box there, and the double box. Oh, that looks like such good food. I kind of want to save this for some, like, a time we have like a guide outdoor party. And I love these extra multicolored doodles here. These need to come to the kit, and oh, I need this add-on page in all of my kits, and then the glitter add-on there. So that is the mystery kit. Oh, I'm so happy with that. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I'm so excited. I've not used any of my mystery kits yet, and I'm so, well, I have by the time you're seeing this, but I haven't at the filming of this. I'm so excited to get using them. So yeah, I'm going to pass now back to future Tilly with where she's going to lay out some of the things. I don't want to show the mystery kit, and that's because it'll be my thumbnail as well, so I don't want to spoil. So yeah, that's the mystery kit. I'm loving it. So yeah, it's been a bit of a heavier spending month this month. It's not been a huge spending month. I have actually spent quite a lot on stickers that haven't arrived yet. They'll probably be here in the next couple of weeks. One's already been dispatched, but I don't think it'll arrive in time to be part of this haul. It may just, but I'm just not giving myself that stress, to be honest. I'm just gonna go with it. So yeah, I'm super excited for these stickers and things. I'm excited to be buying kits and using them almost immediately. That's what I'm most excited for, to be fair. So yeah, let me know down below what your favourite thing I got this month was. I'm not sure. I really like Julia's new premium mat by Gem Designs, so I'm super excited for that, just because you know how I only use premium mat really, so having another shop that I love do premium mat is great for me. But yeah, let me know down below what your favourite thing is, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!